television. Well, for me, television was my well-being. It wasn't a game. So it made playing that game that much harder for me because I had to always keep in mind the long-term goal that I had. And to achieve the kind of credibility and the admiration and the opportunities that I wanted to get on TV, I had to maybe sacrifice getting farther in that game, but I knew that where I wanted to get farthest was in the game of life once that experience was over. So opportunities, you never know where they're going to come. My opportunity on HSN came to me by, sometimes it's just by being you, by being yourself. I am first and foremost a mommy. My kids would tell you that I'm like the most obnoxious and geekiest mom on this planet. I love it. I love it. Anything I can do to embarrass my kids, the more, the better. So I do. So, but there I was. In fact, I was there. It looked like I was being supportive of my son. He plays football. So let's go to the football games. What I'm really doing is being nosy because I want to know who my son's friends are at the game. So I volunteer. It sounds like, ooh, nice. What a nice mom, volunteer. I ain't volunteering. I'm checking out who these little girls that are checking out my boy are. That's what I'm doing. So anyhow, there I was, and I also an opportunity I got locally after Survivor was to fill in as a news traffic anchor for CBS on KENS 5, and I had the most horrible morning that morning. I just started doing that type of hosting, which again, every type of work that I do seems to be a school for me. And I had a really bad morning. My computer, everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. My computer broke down, so behind me where I'm supposed to have like a map and the cars driving by, nothing's happening, and I'm standing in front of the camera like, okay, there's an accident, and I'm like, where? So I, relying, thank God I have good memory, and I had to do just everything by memory. And then, as if that wasn't bad enough, we had a fatal car accident. A young mother and her 2 children passed away. It was like, really? I mean, and I had to report it because it was an accident. So I was telling my father about this at the game where I was with my son, and when I was done doing that, the gentleman in front of me turned around, said he had overheard my story. Small world, the girl that passed away happened to be his employee. Not a good way to be a small world at that moment, and I gave him my condolences, and then that's what I want to emphasize with you. When you get these opportunities, even after achieving what you think, okay, this is the goal that I wanted, always want more, always keep preparing yourself more. In fact, I am on HSN, but you know what? I'm just starting. I'm barely just learning that type of hosting. I'm still growing in that. And you would think, but when I first was aiming at that and I got it, I thought I would feel like, ooh, I'm going to get it. I made it. Done and done. But no. And so you really have to keep going, keep working at it. Even my brother.